Hello students, welcome in a new chapter number 15, statistics. Students, in statistics, first we explain mean about related to mean deviations, and then after median about the median deviations. So in the first video I will explain to mean about mean deviations. And first of all students, I introduce that formula to mean deviations, del x bar, which is sigma xi minus x bar upon n, where x bar is a mean and n is a number of observations. Second formula, mean deviations about by mean, sigma fi xi minus x bar upon n, where students x bar is a mean, means sigma xi by n, or sometimes you use the mean formula by the sigma fi xi by n. Now students, I will start our exercise 15.1 related only numericals for related your mean deviation by mean. So students, in the first question, exercise 15.1, find the question is the find the mean deviation about the mean data for the data. Means we define first mean, after that mean deviations. First of all, we introduce the xi totals. Students, my xi is a 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 17, and just you add the total sigma xi. If you add it, we get 80, and then define mean sigma xi by n, 80 upon this number of observation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, it get 10 total. Now I just start this one, xi minus x bar, and then after students, it's the modulus value, I mean total positive values. Now xi minus x bar, students, you get the values. Why is that solutions? 4 minus 10 minus 6, it gets 6. 7 minus 10 minus 3, it get 3. 8 minus 10 minus 2, it is 2. 9 minus 10 minus 1, it is 1. Now 10 minus 10, 0. Same 12 minus 10, 2. 13 minus 10, 3. And 17 minus 10, 7. Now students, this total additions, so summation of xi minus x bar, it is total, I think you added 24. So mean deviation about by mean, sigma xi minus x bar upon n, we get sigma xi minus x bar 24, and n become only and only you have to 8, so 8 is 24, that's your del x bar. Now similarly students, I will go ahead second one. So in second questions, same asking, find the mean deviations about by the mean. Yes, so heading is same, that's why I start direct to xi, in xi going and make them to total summations. So in the xi students, your observations 38, 70, 48, 40, 42, 55, 63, 46, 54 and the 44. This you added first of all students, and you just define your mean. So if you total, so sigma xi, they get 500, and mean I just write down sigma xi upon n, that is 500 upon how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it get only 50. It means mean ready. Now I will start same table, xi minus x bar And secondly, in the modulus xi minus x bar and the sigma xi minus x bar as it is. So these are 38 minus 50. You know, students, very well, minus 12, but I get plus 12. Now 70 minus 50, 20. Now 48 minus 50, minus 2. 40 minus 50, minus 10. 42 minus 50, minus 8. 55 minus 5, it is 5. 63 minus 15, 13. 46 minus 50, minus 4. And 54 minus 50, it is 4. And last 44 minus 50 minus 6, it gets 6. Now students, if you added the total data in this way, you will getting one of the total solutions, and after that you will decided your final answers to average deviation about by mean. So that's why I might write down answer del x bar sigma xi minus x bar upon n, and here students you will add by using Kelsey, and you decided total additions and you get answer easily. So this total additions, it is 84. I used the direct calculator, that's why I direct written, and answer is just get 8.4. And now question number first and second, students, easily here done. Now third, fourth is different method, so I will go to same method formula, mean deviation about by mean. It means now I going to question number fifth one. Yes, question number 5. Question third and fourth, then after I calculate, it is a different method by median about the deviations. Here xi, fi, and start the very easily totaling to fi totaling. Question is there 5, 10, next 15, 20 and 25, and that to given that our frequency 7, 4, 6, 3 and 5. Here students, just you added the total first of all frequencies, and here you will write down n, then define to mean sigma fi xi by n, and here define to your xi fi total product it. In the product 7 5s are 35, 40, 15 6s are 90, 23 got 60, and here 125. That total additions you will get using calculator, and easily students it get here this total 25 and it get 350 divided by 25 and decide our mean. Mean is a 350 by 25. So it is 35 10s are, and here 5 5s are, 5 2s are, 5 7s are. So my mean is a 14 only. Now mean defined. Now I go to our formula to del x bar, xi minus x bar first of all, second column modulus xi minus x bar, and the last column frequency with modulus of xi minus x bar, and that total I want to in the answer xi minus x bar is a total our summations. So students, xi is this 5 minus 14, yes, 5 minus 14 we will get minus 9, multiply 9, same 10 minus 14 minus 4, it is 4, 15 minus 14 1, 20 minus 14 6, 25 minus 14 it is a 5, and 6 11. Now it get frequency to that both a product, and then you will get last answer. So 9 7s are 63, next 4 4s are 16, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and 11 5s are 55. Here students, if you get total additions, it is a 158, and at the end of that last answer. So mean deviation about by mean sigma fi xi minus x bar upon n, which is 158 upon n is just only 25, and here using students simple your division factors you will get answer 6.32 approximately. and then you get easily, students, your answer done. Now I will going ahead slowly. Question number 6. Same mean deviations, about by mean. And in our data, students, sixth one, question 6. Find del x bar and given xi with fi, and the total additions is xi is a 10, 30, 50, 70 and the 90, and here fi is a 4, 24, 28, 16 and students 8. This total you first of all added, then you get total additions, it is 80, and here start xi fi. Students, this xi fi total you will get here one of the mean process and mean formula you will know very well, sigma fi xi by n. Now this multiply, students, I will take in the multiple form, here 40, here 72, but 720, next 0, 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 5 2s are 10 and 4 1400, next 0, 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 4 11, 1120 and 8 9s are 72. It is total, students, I think 4000. Yes, total addition is 4000 and mean apply 4000 by 80, that cancel 400 by 8, 8 5s are, means my mean is clearly known 50. Now process is running xi minus x bar, second process modulus xi minus x bar, and last process is a last table fi xi minus x bar, and that the students I want to summation sigma fi xi minus x bar and get the final answer. So here xi is 10 minus 50, which is minus 40, so its modulus 40, 30 minus 50 minus 20, so it is 20, 50 minus 50 0 0, 70 minus 50 20, and 90 minus 50 40, and this product we do with these fi, students, then you will get fi xi minus x bar. So this product with that 4 4 the 16, 160, 24 2s are 48, yes, 24 2s are 48, 28 0 0, so here 0 0, 16 2s are 32, 320, and 8 4s are 32, it is also 320. Now here your total additions, and now del x bar, students, sigma fi xi minus x bar upon n. Yes, this total, if you using the calci, you will get easily 1280. I just direct write down for use calculator. So 1280 by n is 80, this cancel, and 1280 by 8 4 2s are, and here the simple cancel, yeah, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 32 by 2, which have to answer only and only, students, 16. Yes, then after, students, question 7 and 8 is a median about level, so that not I explain here, I will explain to now question number 9 and the 10, which is very biggest numerical, and also it is 3 marks questions in exam oriented IMP questions. So in the question number 9, systematically apply one by one. It is IMP questions. Question 9, find the mean deviation about by mean del x bar is target, and given income per day, and secondly number of the persons, here given number of persons, and very easily you add them total. So income given 0 to 100, next 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, and last 700 to students 800. And that will be, I just first of all total make them additions to frequency Fi. My Fi is 4, 8, 9, 10, 7, 5, 4, 3, and that you total just I additions to total students, it is a 50. Now I will start to process, find out the mean. So here first define our central value, either mid value, which is xi, and this mid value students I define to both plus 0 plus 100 by 2, means additions both by 2, which is 50. Now how many increment to every data? It is 100. So 100 add here. So 150, 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, and the students 750. Now here I will start my process to applying the find out the mean, and the mean process students, you just product on it, the values wise all are multiplied easily and you will get students answer. Either we will conduct our assuming mean. This is assuming mean 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, these are the middle. Anyone you will take our assumption mean. I will take here assume mean and define to my di table xi minus a upon c. This is a definitely 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and here 1 2 3, and start the value fi di, and this I multiply to take this fi with this di and merge them total. So 4 4 is 16, minus 8 3 is 24, next 9 2 is 18, next minus 10, here 0 0, 5 1 is 5, here 4 2 is 8, and 3 3 is 9. In total students, you will take here additions, and sigma fi di I will define. These are total 8 9s are 72. Yes, 8 and 9 17, 17 and 5. Yes, 17 and 5 22 plus. But here if you total added, then you will get here 10 and 8 18, 1 carry, 2 3 4 5 and 6 68. So minus 68 plus 22, it will get here 4, and 6 minus 2 6 46, 8 minus 2 6, and 6 minus 2 4. Now main formula a plus sigma fi di upon n into c. I have mean 450, fi di is a minus 46, n is 50, and student c is a class length. How much class length? Is 100. It is 2's are cancel. So 450 minus here 6 2's are 12, 1 carry, 4 2's are 8 and 9. It means 450 minus 92. You will get one of the mean. Here 4, here 10, 10 minus 2 8, and 44. Here cancel to 3, and 14 minus 9, which have to 5. My value is 358. That's the students here mean 358 and 92, total 10, 1 carry, 10 and 5 15, 1 carry and 4. Yes, here your mean is ready, 358. Now actual process start, xi minus x bar in the modulus, and last fi xi minus x bar, and that I will get my answer to sigma fi xi minus x bar is the total value I want, and you will declare my answer very easily. So big process now start students, which have to multiply with xi minus x bar first. Xi means this xi students 50 minus 358. Yes, 50 just cancel it. So 358 minus 50, it is 308. 308 and 50, 358. Now again to here 150, it means 100 less, 208, 108, here 08, Now 450 minus 358, 450 minus 358. Here students 4, 10 minus 8 2, here 3, a 0 cancel, here 10, 14 minus 5 9. Yes, 9 and 5 14. It is 92. Now 92, next 100 192, next 292, and last 392. Now students, this value with the Fi I will show that, and in the column wise we will calculate my final to final product multiplications. So this Fi start with 308. So 8 4s are 32, 4 3s are 12, 1 2 3 2. Now 8s are 8 8s are 64, and 8 2s are 16. Next 8 9s are 72, 9 1s are 9, 10s are 8 means 80. Next 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 7 9s are 63 plus 1 64. Next 5s are 192, 5s are, the 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 1 46, 4 carry, and here 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4 9, it is 960. Now continue, 4 2s are 8, 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 36 3 carry, and 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11, 1 1 6 8, and last 3 2s are 6, 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, and last of the your 3 3s are 9, 10 and 11. Here students, your this data to total Fi with modulus xi minus x bar done. Now I will decide my final answer. So students, if the total you added this all values by using Calci, you will get 7896 and start our final answers. Therefore, average deviation about by mean sigma Fi modulus xi minus x bar upon n, which is 7896, and n you how much? Yes, it is the 50, and you just total divided it, it get 157.92 approximately. Your answer is decided. Now I will going ahead, question number 10 also students in the same pattern and IMP for exam level. Find out mean deviations about by the mean, and the given that height in centimeter and total availability to persons, number of the boys, it is frequency given that. So 95 to 105, 105 to 115, 115 to 125, next 125 to 135, next 135 to 145, and last 145 to 155. And here you will conduct the total frequencies: 9 boys, 13, 26, 30, 12 and 10, and you just add them total observations addition students, it is 100. And here first we start mid value, which is xi, and mid value defined very easily and quickly. Students, these are 95 and 105, 200 divided by 2, which is 100. Very easy. Now how many increment? Yes, it is a increment value is a 95 and 105. Only there 10 value students added. So I just added 10 110, 120, 130, 140 and 150. And define 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are the total 6 observations. Any two you will take assume mean, either this. I will take here assume mean and define di xi minus a upon c, and here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and here 1 2, and sincerely simple you will get fi di. So you will completely find out the mean process. So this is a di, this is fi. 9 3s are 27, here 13 2s are 26, minus 26, continue 30, 0, 0, here 12, and that is the 20, and total here additions, that is additions, and sigma FIDI we will define it. Here 20, 30, 32 plus, here total getting 6, 6, 6, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19, 1 carry. Yes, 19, 1 carry. 2 to 4 to 6 and 7, minus 79 plus 32. Minus 79 plus 32, it will 7 and here 4. So your answer is minus 47. So simple students, your answer is mean x bar a plus sigma FIDI by n into c. This is a 10th standard formula. A I have 130, FIDI minus 47, n is 100. But students, class length, how much class length increasing? That each place have to 95 to 105, it is 10. That cancel. So my answer is 130 minus 4.7. So 130 minus 4.7, students, you just subtract on it. Minus 4.7, here 0. So easily you getting here answer, students, that is a 2, here 10, 9 and here 10, 3, 5, 125.3. Yes. And after that, students, I will go to in the table of find out xi minus x bar process with the average deviation about by the mean. So students, in the continuations for the formula for define our mean deviations. So actual process now running after define our mean. So in this answer, here I first prepare xi minus x bar in the modulus, and secondly fi xi minus x bar, and that total here answer declared xi minus x bar, and that's my answer, students. So now this xi 100 minus 125.3, it is 25.3. Next 1110 minus 125.3, it is 15.3. Next 5.3. Now here, students, 130 minus 125.3, it will get, students, your 4.7. Yes, it is 4.7. Next 14.7 and next 24.7. Now these values with the multiply fi, you will product it, and using Kelsey, students, I will product this total data to directly 2 to 7.7, 198.9. Yes, Kelsey is allowed, that's why, students, 141, 176.4, and at the end of 247. This product fi with this, and you get add them is total 1128.8. Yes, 1128.8, and get the answer, students, for average deviation about by mean sigma fi xi minus x bar by n. So 1128.8 upon n is 100. So it should be very easy, 11.288. Approximately you will write down 11.29, and that the students here this topic is done, and this topic, students, over here average deviation about by mean. And students, here I stop this video. In the further part, second video, I will explain that median about by the deviations. Okay, students, bye bye.